CompanionLabs will provide you two different types of bidding recommendations, and you're only going to get them for your prospecting ad sets. The reason for this is that when you're doing retargeting, your bid has less of a relationship to your performance. Your focus should really be around the right timing, creative, or offer to get that retargeting audience to convert. We also recommend that you always start with lowest cost, or what was previously referred to as automatic bidding, for your prospecting ad sets. If you're not able to get your prospecting ad sets within the ballpark of acceptable performance, changing your bid strategy to manual max bids is not going to be the solution. You most likely have an underlying creative, audience, or pricing issue that you need to address first. That said, once your automatic or lowest cost ad sets start performing well, setting manual max bids can be very beneficial. Max bids allow you to restrict your spend so you can protect your budget when ad costs rapidly rise, and unfortunately that does happen. And then second, max bids can help you zero in on different user and placement combinations that Facebook may sometimes overlook when you're relying entirely on an automatic or lowest cost strategy. It's also important to note that your bid strategy can change from month to month. One month you might be entirely reliant upon automatic or lowest cost, and then the next month it's blended with manual max bids. Before CompanionLabs, knowing what to do when was very difficult. Switching between different bid strategies or blending them together was usually reserved for the most sophisticated advertisers, but now with our bidding recommendations, anyone can do it.